Hi, I'm Muruj and today I'm going to tell you how to create a story. So as you can see in front of me, we have the whole window. Let's go towards the left hand side and select a folder. Well, the folder you select tells us about the type of story you are about to build. For example, I'm going to select sports. Now we will click on New. Now in front of me is another window. First, let's give it a title, which is Slug. Now let's give it a source. For example, if you have written it, it's going to be your story. Then a topic, which is sports again. Then the city. Template, which is OCVO for now. This can also be the reference of the person who gives you the story. And the folder tells you about the folder that you have put it on. Let's save it. As you can see, it just popped on the top. Now let me tell you a little bit about the screen. Let's start with the letter R. The letter R is basically the number of rundowns. Let me show it to you. So basically the number tells you about the number of rundowns your story is placed on. Then there is S, which shows you the status of the story. Different colors tell you different things. Then there is slug, then the duration, which tells you the duration of the script. Then there is format and so on. Above this we see another menu, which is new, edit if you want to edit your story, delete, preview, print, action, which has several other options. Let's talk about these later on. After action there is fast preview. This is really helpful. Let me show it to you. By clicking on fast preview, you can actually see the story on the screen. You can choose where you want to see it, on your right, left or bottom of the screen. Nice, right? After this there is advanced search. Now let me tell you how to add a script to your story. Let's double click on the slug. In front of me is a window. On the right hand side is basically the script the anchor will read out. There's OC and VO. Similarly, on the left hand side is the tagline text. Let's fill it out. Let me tell you a bit about the OC and VO options first. The first one is collapse. Then there is move down, which is pretty useful. So you see what happened here, and then you can move it up back again. So you can change positions according to your preference. You can also attach CG from here, a very important point. Now let's talk about the menu. After status there is add. Basically you can add more options, which is VO, graphic, live, package, etc. So you see as many as you want. Then you can save, close, print, collapse and so on. Pretty easy, right?